To the channel. So I'm about to show you how I make my fish, my fried fish. Okay, first ingredient. Well, wait, when I'm back. Make sure you like, join the channel, join the vibe, cool vibes. Cause we too lit over here. We just be doing stuff, just stuff. But tune in. Just tune in. Ingredients that I use. Well, besides the oil, it's tilapia. Some people say, oh, it's chemicals, all this stuff. It's good. It's good. That's all I can say. It's good. This is my flour. It's got seasoning. It's already made to go. So you just put this put it in the bag. Put the flour in the bag. Put the fish in the bag. And then we're going to go to the grill, the oil fryer. We're going to set it on preheat 350. That's what I got on 350. So we got to get everything's in fit for me. I can't make shit. We're going to ease one side down. Give it a little shake. Let it in there. Second one. And let it in there. Just let it sit. 15, 20 minutes. And we're done meal. Fish and potatoes. Instant potatoes. 15-minute meal. That's why I call it 15, 20-minute meal. It doesn't take long at all to make this meal.